Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my September Stitch Fix box. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to help you choose 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you'll get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. So for this box, I was looking for fall transitional pieces. So I'm looking for like 3/4 length sleeves and cardigans and things like that. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so a couple of weeks before your box is supposed to get sent to you, you should get an email with about 10 items for you to look at and decide if you want any of those items to be included in your box. And so for this box, I did choose 4 of the items, and my stylist chose the 5th item to put inside this box. So we're going to get into it to see what I got for this month. Right on top is my prepaid mailer envelope, and so shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. So you'll use this bag to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges. You're also going to see your white envelope. Inside that envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 61 for me, so I've been doing it for a while. And you're also going to have your Oh Hello card. This is going to be a note from your stylist, but it will also give you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. So I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Hey there, it's great to be back with you again. I hope you had an amazing summer. I wanted to personally thank you for your feedback on your last fix. I really took the time to read it over and over to ensure I include your favorites. Now I can't wait for you to get your hands on this fix. Inside you'll discover essential pieces that will form the foundation of your wardrobe. I've added some fun items too, so you can effortlessly put together a cute look in just minutes. These pieces are super versatile, allowing you to add your own unique style and make it truly yours. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how these pieces work for you and if there's anything missing from your closet. Don't hesitate to leave me a note in the comments section when you check out, whether it's a request or additional feedback. Cheers, Tara." And so I've been having Tara pretty much this entire year, so she's been doing a really nice job for me. And so here's a look at my bundle, and I chose these 4 items, and then she put this one in as my 5th item. So let's get into it. All right, so the first item is by Monday Fun, the Lillian V-neck blouse in off-white. And so it's this really pretty polyester blouse that has a small floral print. The print is burgundy on an off-white background. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that real quick. It has a split neck. And I have some burgundy corduroy pants that I think this would look really nice with as we get into the cooler months. Next is by 41 Hawthorn, the Morey split neck 3/4 sleeve blouse in dark green. And so it's this blouse right here. It does have a split neck. It is polyester, but it's more of that crepey polyester. It does have a 3/4 length sleeve with a little roll tab here, which doesn't bother me. I do love this dark green color for fall into winter. So I'm gonna get up close so you can see the floral print. So it has like white, a light blue, and green in the floral print. So that's really pretty. All right, so the third item is by Beacon, the Patty Roll Tab Knit top in red. And here's what that looks like. It is a darker red, like a burgundy or brick red. It does have a floral print that's kind of like a cream or off-white. Again, it does have the 3/4 length sleeves with a little roll tab. And this is a very soft and stretchy kind of polyester. Has a split neck, and it does have like a little pleat detail going down the front here. So I like that. So the next 2 items are cardigans. I am a teacher and my classroom tends to get a little bit chilly, so I like to wear a cardigan over top of my outfits That way I can take it off if it gets too warm, or I can put it on if I get a little chilly. So the first one is by Market and Spruce, the Camila Brush Knit Sleeve Detail Cardigan in light purple. And so here's that cardigan. It's a little bit lighter than the cardigan I have on today. It is that brush knit. Now I have a couple different Market and Spruce brush knit cardigans that I absolutely love. I have a dark gray one and a light gray one, and they are just perfect for wearing over top of my outfits for school. This one does have a little bit of a different detail because it has like a little crisscross detail at the end of the sleeve. And so the purple is kind of like that heathered, like a little bit of black in there. So that's really cute. Very soft. And the way I keep these from peeling is I wash them inside out and then I hang them to dry. And I've not had any trouble with them. So I do have some tops that I think this will pair with nicely. And then the last is a navy cardigan. It's by 41 Hawthorn, the Kelly Pointelle Detail Cardigan in navy. And so since I started Stitch Fix, I've gotten a lot of navy items into my wardrobe, but I didn't have a navy cardigan and I thought I could use one. So this is perfect for me. And so here's what that cardigan looks like. It's a lightweight cardigan that's really soft and stretchy. There are some details on this cardigan. It does have some like lines right here. There are some holes right here. And then the back has some lines going down. I think this is another cardigan that will pair well with a lot of the different items I have in my closet. So I'm gonna get ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first cardigan, and this is the one by 41 Hawthorn, the Kelly Pointelle Detail Cardigan in navy. So for sake of time, I just put that cardigan over top of this navy and purple and white blouse that I already had on. This is a lightweight cardigan. It is soft and thin, not too heavy, so it's perfect for this fall transition time. It is very stretchy. It has a lot of stretch in it, which I like. It does have cuffing at the bottom of the sleeves, and it does kind of like poof out at the bottom of the sleeves right there, if you can see that. It does have some dots here that may be hard to see with the navy background underneath. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there are some lines going down right here. I like the length of it. It's not super short. It's about the right length for me. It does have nice pockets, and again, I love how stretchy it is. It's comfortable. So on the back, there are some lines going down the center. So I think this is just going to be a good staple for my closet. I'm going to put the purple cardigan over top of this top, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the second cardigan, and this one is by Market and Spruce, the Camila Brush Knit Sleeve Detail Cardigan in light purple. And so this one is that super soft brush knit material. I really do like this light purple color, and I think it actually goes pretty well with the top I have on today. It does have that heathered look with the black kind of going throughout it, so I'm going to get close so you can see that. So this cardigan does have that little crisscross detail at the bottom of the sleeves. Very soft, very comfortable, does have pockets. It's about the same length as the navy cardigan that I just tried on. So some people really dislike brush knit items because they think it peels and gets kind of balled up and things like that. So the way I prevent that is I wash it inside out and then I hang it to dry. And like I said, I've had pretty good luck with my brush knit cardigans. I really like purple. It's one of my favorite colors. So I'm going to put on the first top and I'll be right back. So the first top is by Beacon. It is the Patty Roll Tab Knit top in red. And so here is this top. It does have a nice V here. It does have like a little overlap right there, and it creates like a little pleat detail going down here. I think this color is great for transitioning into fall. Here's an up close of the print. It is like a cream or kind of off-white color on the red background. It does have the roll tab sleeve right here, and I don't think you can undo that tab. So this polyester top is very stretchy, and it's kind of flowy. I do like that. I don't like anything that clings to my stomach. It is a touch longer in the back, and I have it paired with the navy pants, but I think it would look really nice with a pair of black pants. So what do you guys think about this top? I'm gonna put on the green top and I'll be right back. All right, this next top is by 41 Hawthorn, the Morey split neck 3/4 sleeve blouse in dark green. And here's what that top looks like. It does have the split neck. I mentioned that this polyester is that kind of crepey, kind of textured polyester, but I don't mind that. I do love this dark green color for fall and into winter. I think this top would pair nicely with black or navy or even gray pants. It does have the 3/4 sleeve. I think you can undo these buttons. So these ones can be let down if you don't like the 3/4 sleeve. Again, it's a little bit flowy. There is some stretch in here because I can feel it when I pull on it. Touch longer in the back, does kind of come up on the side. I'm going to get up close so you can see the print. This is a really pretty floral print. Like I said earlier, it has some like cream and some green and then some light blue in it, so it's really pretty. It's another good work blouse for me. All right, I've got one more top, and it's the one that she put into the box for me, and I'll be right back. And the last item is by Monday Fun, the Lillian V-neck blouse in off-white. So I'm glad my stylist put this in my box because I did have it in my saved items. I really like that it's short sleeve because where I live here in North Carolina, it's still really kind of like hot right now. And so I wear a lot of short sleeve to 3/4 length sleeves this time of year. And then I layer up with a cardigan. I do like the off-white with the floral print here. So I'm going to get up close so you can see the print. It does have like that really dark burgundy color, and then there's a brownish kind of taupe-ish color in the background. So I do think that this top would pair very nicely with black. I think it would pair nicely with dark brown. I do have a pair of this kind of burgundy colored corduroy pants that as it gets cooler, I think it would look really nice with. It does have the V. It has like a little overlap here again to create like a little pleat right here. This kind of polyester is that kind of like silky polyester. There are some pleats here at the top on the shoulder. It does come up a little bit and comes a little longer in the back. This top is a little bit sheer. I do have a white cami underneath, so you might want to make sure you put something underneath of it. You can see it a little bit through my shirt. So maybe a nude colored cami might work even better than what I have on with the white. So overall, I think this was a good pick for me. All right, guys, I'm going to get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about prices. And so the first item on my list is by Beacon, the Patty Roll Tab Knit Top in red. And that was this top right here. It's very stretchy. It has a lot of spandex in it. And the cost of this top is $42. And I think it's a good work blouse for me. Next is the Cardigan by 41 Hawthorn, the Kelly Pointelle Detail Cardigan in navy, and the cost of this is $46. I don't always love a lot of Pointelle detail. This one was very subtle, and so I liked it. And I think $46 is a pretty good price for a cardigan. The next item on the list is by 41 Hawthorn as well, and it is the Morey split neck 3/4 sleeve blouse in dark green, and that was this top right here. I really love the colors in this top, and I think it's very versatile to pair with different colored bottoms and things like that, and the cost of this is $46. And again, if you don't like that crepey feeling polyester, you might not like that blouse. Next was the top by Monday Fun, the Lillian V-neck blouse in off-white, and this is $40. And this was the top that my stylist put into my box, and I really like this. I think it's a great fall transition piece. And so the last item on my list is by Market and Spruce, the Camila brush knit sleeve detail cardigan in light purple, and that was this one right here. Very soft, lightweight, perfect for transitioning into fall. And the cost is $46. So I know cardigans aren't the most exciting thing to have in your Stitch Fix boxes, but as a teacher, they're pretty much a staple for my wardrobe. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $220. If you buy all, you get that 25% discount, so it would take off $55, and that would leave me with an order subtotal of $165. Shipping is free, so I don't pay for that, and I don't have the $20 styling fee because I have the Style Pass, so my order total would be $165. And I think that's a great price for 5 items from Stitch Fix. I really aim to keep my boxes about $200 or below. So you guys tell me what you think. What was your favorite item from my box? I do think I'm going to be keeping everything because these are items that I can use in my wardrobe for work. The prices are good, so I definitely think it's a 5 for $5 box. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That link is good for first-time men or women customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically the referral link will give you $25, so you're going to get to waive your styling fee and not pay anything up front. And then those items will get shipped to you for free. You'll get to try them on. And then if you decide to keep anything, that $25 will go towards anything that you keep. And if you keep nothing, then you've lost nothing. You wouldn't have to pay for anything because the styling fee was already waived with the $25 referral link. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.